Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Robustrion Trifold flip stand case cover. This is a case cover specifically designed to fit the Lenovo Tab E8 only. It will not fit any other model. What other thing I can tell you about this before I open this up? This is how we got it, unfortunately. We're inside a plastic cover. There is not much going on, to be very fair. I will just show you what the case looks like. And that's more or less it. This is a flip style case cover. I'll show you how it works as well. So let's open it and see what it looks like. It comes with a thermocol packing of sorts. I'll just take it out. Silica gel, thermocol packing, and yeah, this is it. This is what the case looks like. It has a tough, rugged exterior over here, so it will keep the tab protected. And the interior has this nice texture, this fabric coating as well, so it will keep the insides protected as well. As mentioned earlier, this is a flip stand, so it should be able to do, yeah, there you go. You can put the tab like this and, for your viewing pleasure, and then use it in whichever way you want. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Robustrion Trifold flip stand case cover. Thank you for watching.